Hello everyone, and welcome to my Fashion and Beauty Tips channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Aging is a natural process, but caring for your skin with the right oils can make a visible difference. These natural oils contain antioxidants, fatty acids, and vitamins that will reduce wrinkles, increase elasticity, and allow your skin to thrive with radiance. Each oil works differently to target signs of aging while nourishing and protecting your skin, including rosehip and argan oil. 1. Rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is for sure the oil to use if you want to fight the effects of aging. The combination of vitamins A and C allows this oil to stimulate collagen production, reduce fine lines, and provide vitamin C to brighten dull, fatigued skin. The lightweight texture of rosehip oil is perfect for everyday use without feeling greasy or oily. Another advantage of rosehip oil is that it absorbs quickly into the skin. Many studies suggest rosehip oil may restore elasticity and moisture, leading to firmer, healthier skin over time. Rich in vitamins A and C. Stimulates collagen production. Fades fine lines and dark spots. Lightweight and absorbs quickly. 2. Argan oil. Often referred to as liquid gold, argan oil is rich in vitamin E, fatty acids, and antioxidants. It deeply nourishes the skin and protects the skin against free radical damage that leads to accelerated wrinkling. A clinical study showed that the daily application of argan oil improved skin elasticity and firmness in 2 months. Antioxidant-rich. Increases elasticity and plumpness. Hydrates dry skin deeply. Protects against signs of age. 3. Jojoba oil. Because jojoba oil is nearly identical to the skin's natural sebum, all skin types benefit from its compatibility. Jojoba oil hydrates without greasiness, balances oil production, and improves the skin barrier function. Due to its naturally occurring vitamin E, it fights oxidative stress, which leads to wrinkling. Non-comedogenic and gentle. Balances oil production. Hydrates deeply. Antioxidant-rich for aging skin. 4. Sea buckthorn oil. Sea buckthorn oil is composed of a high concentration of omega-7 fatty acids. These fatty acids assist in the regeneration of skin cells and maintaining skin suppleness. Additionally, it contains the vitamins C and E. Combined, these vitamins are recognized for their antioxidant capabilities. To maintain healthy skin, frequent applications can soften fine lines and wrinkles, generate elasticity, and make skin appear smoother. Contains rare omega-7 fatty acids. Supports regeneration of the skin. Improves hydration level. Softens fine lines. 5. Pomegranate seed oil. Pomegranate seed oil is loaded with everything punicic acid needs to protect skin from environmental damage via antioxidants. In addition, it helps to stop the inflammatory process within the skin, repairs significant sun damage, and promotes collagen development. All these benefits lead to firmer skin with a youthful appearance after consistent use. High in antioxidants. Protects from sun damage. Stimulates collagen development. Reduces visible signs of aging. 6. Macadamia oil. Macadamia oil is rich in palmitoleic acid and phytosterols that help skin repair and improve elasticity. It helps restore flexibility, retains moisture, and repairs softness. Its soothing qualities make it great for sensitive, dry, and mature skin types. Great for dry and mature skin. Contains omega-7 fatty acids. Supports collagen and elasticity. Promotes smooth and softened skin. 7. Sunflower seed oil. Sunflower seed oil is high in linoleic acid, which supports the skin's natural barrier and retains moisture. It is light and non-greasy and is ideal for everyday hydration. Studies have shown that sunflower oil improves the smoothness of skin and reduces dryness, which makes wrinkles less visible. Strengthens skin barrier. High in linoleic acid and vitamin E. Hydrating without weight. With continued use, it reduces wrinkle depth. 8. Essential oils. Lavender, rose, neroli, sandalwood. Some essential oils have wonderful anti-aging properties. Lavender soothes and repairs. Rose improves circulation. Neroli firms and tones. Sandalwood hydrates and calms irritation. Made sure to dilute essential oils in a carrier oil before applying. Powerful antioxidant effects. Improves skin tone and texture. Promotes feelings of relaxation and glow. Dilution in a carrier oil is required. 9. Olive oil. Olive oil is not just for cooking. It is full of polyphenols, specifically oleocanthal and oleacin, which are clinically proven to reduce wrinkle count and improve skin appearance. It is also known to deeply hydrate and to provide a protective barrier against environmental damage. Clinically proven to reduce wrinkles. Full of antioxidants for the skin to love. Hydrates and softens skin. Helps to defend against free radicals. 10. Vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is among the strongest antioxidants for the skin. It combats free radicals, helps support cell repair, and also prevents premature aging. Vitamin E oil is typically used as part of a blend with other carrier oils and works to minimize fine lines, while also nourishing your skin. It's a good idea to use vitamin E oil at night before bed, since this will allow the oil to be fully absorbed. Has potent antioxidant action. Repairs and protects skin cells. Minimizes fine lines with continued use. Works best if left on overnight. So what do you guys think about this update? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like my videos, please press like and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys next time.